Hello, welcome back to the Nivro platform. In our lesson for today, I'll explain to you how to create articles, SEO, that are compliant with all SEO and GEO requirements that are required by either search engines like Google and Bing, or what is required by artificial intelligence like ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Gemini, so that you can take your place in the top rankings in the search engines on Google, for example, SERP, or in, ChatGPT and so on. Okay? So in Never, one of its strengths is that it has the SEO engine. The SEO engine is very powerful in Nevro. What does it do? You will see now, wake up. First thing, we go into My Projects. We click on Create First Project. Here we choose the site. And here we give it a name for this project. Cooking Road. A name. I gave it a name. The English language and the country, United States. What does the country mean? It means that you are asking the AI agent of the Nivro platform to go and search for you for that keyword you are going to write about, meaning the focus keyword, in the Google SERP specifically for the United States of America. And it won't search the web in general, but specifically in the United States of America. That is what this option here means. Okay, after that, here we choose, the niche that, we are working on. Naturally, on this site, we are working on recipes, cooking. So I will choose food, for example, here. We have many things we can choose from. Choose food, okay? After that, here I have the places from which Nivro can extract AI agents, the sources. For example, if there is a recipe that talked about protein and its health benefits for muscles, for example, then Nivro will crawl and go to one of these large and official sites, and it takes the source from them and it includes it in the article. This way, your articles are compliant with Google's requirements and those of other search engines or AI engines. If you don't like this list, you can remove anything, or do a reset, or add whatever you want yourself right here. For example, I can add another source, wikipedia.com, for example, and click on Add. After that, click on Save Project. The project for this website has been created. We see that it is an English project in the United States of America talking about the Nivro. I click on it to start writing articles and start with the first article, either here or this button at the top. Research a keyword. For example, I will write about best air fryer recipes, for example, or best healthy. Okay, like that. As you can see, it will search in the United States of America in English. Click on Discover. What is it doing now? Nivro's AI engine went to Google in the United States of America and extracted the best sites. It took advanced positions on Google. An advanced ranking on Google and brought it to me. So what will I do? I'll filter so I don't just take from anywhere. This one, I can open this and see it. Is it an article or not? Yes, nice. A long article. This is not an article. Just a question, I think. This is an article, yes. I keep it too. Recipe, I keep it. YouTube? No, because it's not an article. I won't take anything from it. Is it an article? There's nothing in it. This is shopping. I think this is an article. Yeah, so I will keep, and so on, until I select what I want from this list. This is nice. I'll take this one too. I'll take this one. Okay, this is an article. This is also an article. And that's it. I'll stop here, and I'll tell it. Go analyze competitors. Go and do. Analyze these. The competitors are those who are taking the top spots on the Google search engine and extract from them for me. Do a scrape. The things, the structure, the words, the semantic keywords, and the secondary keywords, and everything that made them get that high rank in the browse, it's Google search engine. Okay? So here it did everything, and it created, built outlines, a structure. As you can see here, the headings, hone, HTWO, H3. I can change them or delete them, okay? It added for me, PA, meaning what people are searching for on Google. Here they are right here. It extracted them from Google. It added everything. Here, I'll choose how many images I want. I'll say 2 or 3 images, whatever I want. Here, it shows me the competitors. And here it shows me the content gaps. The topics that some competitors covered but aren't here in the outline. It's possible. These are opportunities I can add by clicking add, for example, if I want to. Okay. Here I will tell it I want, for example, 3 internal links. Internal links. Okay. And click on generate article. It will start writing the article according to what it requires. SEO and ESEO. Okay. And also, based on what was found with competitors in terms of structure, keywords, and secondary keywords, and so on. And it will be a better article than what was written by the competitors who are in the top rankings on Google. Now it has started writing an article. We wait until it finishes. As you can see now, it has written the article as it should be. So let's take a look. Very, very good. The internal links. And it's also possible for them to be external. Yes, this is an external link. The external link. Nice. Nice. This is an external link too. This is also an external link. External link. Very, very nice. That's nice. It has added everything I need to be among the top results on Google or in AI search engines. Here we have a score. The score for classic SEO. This good that it provided me with some duh, meaning it outperformed 76%. I could improve it myself. And here is the score for what AI search engines require so they can cite your articles. Okay? The article length is 1839 keywords. Competitors don't exceed about 400 keyword terms. Here we see the words that it inserted into the article. How many times they were inserted into the article, as we can see. For example, this one, it inserted 4 times. And here, it's preferred to insert it from 1 to 4 times. So it inserted it 4 times. Good. This one is from 1 to 10. It inserted it 14 times, meaning it exceeded it a little, but it's good. These are critical terms. Keywords. These are important. And these are the things that are good and what needs fixing. So if you see something that is in red or missing, then this, you must damn it. Okay, let's say, for example, that we want to edit a paragraph in the article that is missing words. I'll select it. I'll right-click with the mouse. I'll click and choose Improve with Nivro. And I'll tell it to improve this article for me and insert these missing words. And I'll click on this Nivro icon button. And it will improve it with these words. Except, it has improved. Or you can improve it from here. Or you can do anything you see here. The editor, the article or add images. Okay, regarding images, here is the featured image. I click here if I want to upload it from my device. Or I click on Generate AI if I want to generate one. The prompt that the AI suggested to me, I can leave it as is or enter a prompt to my own. But I'll leave it as is so we don't get held up. And click Generate. Okay. As for the images in the middle of the article, we'll do the same thing. For this, I click here. Either I do it one by one for all the second and third images, or I click Generate All, and then it will generate all the images for the article. I'll save time and click Generate All. But if you want to do them one by one, or if you want to change the prompt for each image, you just come here and change what you want. Here refers to the dimension. And here is the image, whether it's realistic, an illustration, or digital art. Okay? I'm going to leave everything as it is, and I click Generate Off. It'll process until it generates the images. Let me see if the featured image has been created. Yes, it has been created. I'll choose one. This one, or this one, or this one, or this one. This one's better. I'll click Set, like this. Alright, the image has been added. You can open it to see how it looks. Beautiful. The image is beautiful. Okay. The other images have also been added, as you can see. You can change them from here by clicking Replace, and change them if you want. Okay. Here are other images. This one is beautiful. Let's replace it with this way. Like this. There are images. All of them have been created. Very nice. Alright. Everything has been created. you can regenerate the article title as well by clicking here, and it will optimize the title. All right, we have different ways to publish the article on our WordPress site, either by copying the HTML, okay, or we go to sorry to the site and paste it, and that's it. We have the article with images and everything. Or click on WordPress here, so that it gets exported to WordPress. I click like this. The site was previously selected. Which author I want, which category I want. Do I want it as a draft or publish? I'll set it to publish. And here are the tags. If I want to add tags, I click on it. And if I don't want to add tags, I don't click on it. Okay? And click on export and publish. We wait a little bit until it finishes exporting to our site on WordPress. Nice. It has been published successfully. We will open this article so we can see it. The recipe card is also there. The article is very, very nice with the external and internal links and everything. Even the what do we call them? The FAQ. It adds a schema for the FAQ. So if I clicked, for example, here on this extension, went to schema, we will find that all the schema are there. Person, blog post there, recipe card, as you can see. Blog post in, FAQ page. Everything required, for SEO, Nivro adds it. It even fills in the meta title and meta description. And the images too. These images, it gives them their description. We will see that. Click on Edit Post. Nice. So if I come to any image, for example, the featured image, and click on Replace just so we can see what's in it, I come to this image, it's this one, and I scroll down, I will find the alt text. I find the title, caption. It adds everything to the image. It even adds the name, the focus keyword to the slug. It adds everything related to SEO. Even the meta title and meta description, if I clicked here and came to edit snip, we will find that it has filled them in automatically. Good. And it added the focus keyword here. Okay. So this is the superpower of the Nivro platform, especially regarding SEO. And these things you won't find anywhere else. All right, great. This is the article we just worked on. That was our lesson for today. See you in another lessons.